My people, wonder shall never end. Oh, it don't happen again. It don't burst. Oh, hey, hey, hey. No, be small something. Oh, make una carry una joko. Taste it down. Come listen to Mathias Ezeaku, my people. For this one, so I still pick some sense for inside. No, be small something. Oh, my people. Hey, hey. They say wahala dey. Oh, wahala no dey finish. Oh, I know say Mathias, they use IT. They see all this African pastor. Na every time they give them woto my people. No be small something. This one so when you do today, my people, I watch Doctor Light. No be small thing, oh. E give a lot of sense. And the funny part, we are for laugh. Now this place so where you for raise the leg, oh my people. No be small something, oh. May you not come be say I too talk. Make una just watch.
And to date, there is nobody in your village or in your father's compound or in the school where you study or in the street where you are living who was crippled and blind that after going to prayer he regained his or her sight or started walking again. But Nigerian pastor will manipulate it on television for you to believe that Jesus has made a cripple to walk and you have no evidence. Why must a graduate in Africa be following something that don't have evidence? A whole graduate in Africa. A whole graduate in Africa, a whole 20-something years old person in Africa, following something which is already evident that he wrote with you after for 400 years, they came back with a book telling you how God had promised to protect you. But they mount one of the best satellites on the sky monitoring their city. Europe came down 181 years ago to tell you that the world is about to end, but they are busy building their land every day. Construction is busy going on in Europe every day. And they deceive you that the world is about to end, that you should close your eyes and pray. And they are abusing and taking mining alkaline water in Ebony State. Taking our goods, our oil are being moved to Europe every day. And the graduate in Africa is with his or her eyes closed, praying for success. While the Europeans are using the production of the iPhone you are using today to create success and job opportunities. At your age, you don't want to reason. That is why the whole world are making mockery of you. And Nigerians are busy producing 10,000 pastors every year. Every year we are producing pastors and Reverend Father. And they are not coming to preach about the Bible story God to you. They are coming to promise you inside Bible how Jesus has prepared good things for you. Look at how dirty our street is. All this energy we are keying into adoration, going to night vigil. If we key in that energy into the government house, then our land will be built. All the energy that these criminal reverend fathers and pastors have controlled in us by leading us to night vigil, leading us to mountain, leading us to crusade ground. If these people love us, if they lead us to the government house under peaceful protest, it will attract the attention of the international community to help us. Because the greatest security you must have in your nation is job opportunity. The highest security you will have in your nation is job opportunities. When the youth are engaged in working, there will be zero crime. When the youth are being engaged with work, there will be zero crime. Why are you praying for us to survive? Why the whole world are producing science and technology to survive? But here we need prayer. Why must God give me money and allow my sister to be selling pure water with pregnancy? Call pastors and bishops who will go and take money in the name of tithe and offering. A shameful something that you are from Africa. You have no clinic in your village, but your money is in Vatican Rome, in Vatican Bank in Rome. How can a graduate in Africa be living in a village where there is no hospital? In this 21st century, a graduate in Africa is happily living in a village where there is no industry and where there is no hospital. And he is not even care about his or her health. The only thing that have made her or him to be strong about his health is the name of Jesus. That sickness is not your portion. Are you by saying that sickness is not your portion? As old as you are today, you have no clinic in your village. You are happy, praying for healing. And Nigerian pastors and bishops are abusing, deceiving you, telling you that the world is about to end, but they are moving with escort. They are moving with mopo. They live in one of the greatest mansions. They are busy buying private jets. Catholic Church are busy opening branch. Anglican Church are busy opening branch every day. And they are still brainwashing you that the world is about to end. And Catholic and Anglican particularly are busy occupying our land. making noise everywhere in the street. I chased one of them away from my house this morning. 4 o'clock, he started shouting in front of my house. This morning, I went down and chased him away. The whole world are clamoring for industries. Look at iPhone we are using today. iPhone have given more than 50 million people job today in China, in Japan, in Europe, in Asia country. But there is no factory to manufacture common technophone in Africa. No factory to manufacture common technophone. And the grown-up youth in Africa does not believe that this is the reason why they are poor. They don't want to believe this. They are believing that elderly man in their village is the reason why they are poor. Do you know how many people that the sports gave job in Europe? Ordinary tennis. Tennis sports. Do you know how many people tennis gave job in Europe? Do you have tennis sports in your village? Go to Liverpool today in UK, they have tennis sports. Go to so many communities today in UK, they have tennis sports. Go to Manchester, they have tennis sports. Do you have tennis sports in Agolo? Do you have tennis sports in Nnewi? And we are happy. We are busy enjoying that a new Reverend Father has been ordained. What are they being ordained to do for us? To pray. You pray more than Buhari. Buhari have ruled you for 8 years. Muslim. You pray more than Tinubu. Tinubu is ruling you now after prayer, blah, 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 blah. For over 40 something years, your prayer have never given us a president. And Jesus is there watching you. He's not yet his mucus until you die or I die. A graduate, a priest who went to university. A reverend father who went to university is selling olive oil that is being used to cook rice in abroad. Selling to a breast cancer woman to be healed. And you are buying, believing that Jesus tied that bottle and it will heal you. Why today you have no electricity? Why can't you use olive oil to give your land a steady electricity? There is no good road that leads to your community today. And you cannot use the same olive oil to build road. So olive oil is only made for healing. You will die. People who manufacture the olive oil, who made it for cooking. Spanish, who made the olive oil, who made it for cooking. Every of their community, they have hospital. In every village today in Spanish, they have hospital. Well equipped. But they are the producer of the olive oil. And they are using it to cook rice. And you are using olive oil here to make millions of money from my people because government frustrated us. Because government frustrated us. Because government denied us good road to save us from prison. Because government denied us from having industries where every citizen will work, whether you are graduate or not. Because we are suffering. We make money by chance in Nigeria. So those money we are making by chance in Nigeria, by opportunity in Nigeria. Now you use it as Jesus doing, that Jesus has given Ezeaku money. Pray so that it will give you a criminal. Over 5,000 Nigerians will gather one place to be saying one thing, calling one name. Jesus. Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. You close your eyes. Or you open, Chinese open eyes, they build a phone cover. Only this phone cover gave more than 5,000 jobs in one village in China. Our women carry a tie. African women. The most open on this planet Earth. Some, because some are working. Some African women, they go tie. See them now, this one they sabi to do. They go tie their ear. Christian. Hello, sister. You are blessed. In Africa. My trucks, I used to draw Mbaka in all my big trucks. I draw Mbaka's picture, draw Ebube Muonso's picture, hoping that is the only way to survive. My truck will go to Asaba and fall. When the truck had an accident and fall, I will meet my parish priest here. He will bring Biro. Africans, he will bring Biro to prescribe prayer for me. Look for Biro for me. Read Psalm 101. Read Psalm 92. Read Psalm 95. I will come back to this my house here. I will spread stone. And kneel down on top of the stone. Keep crying. Pray from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Before 1 month, another one will still have an accident. Then when I traveled to abroad, I saw things with my eyes. I see road. I say, ah. So road feed dey smooth like this. Have about 16 lane. Ah. So you get time where big truck they come. So for Dubai, big truck not they run in daytime. So for China, big truck not they run in daytime. I say, ah. So people they go driving to school like this. So there is a speed monitoring limit camera in the street. So you get camera where they monitor our speed limit. So when I saw this thing they work, I begin to marvel. Now I know the reason why my truck is having accident. Now I know they see them as anything. Even 2 of them had an accident. I just park it in my workshop here. One had accident, I think 3 weeks ago. The last 2 weeks, one had accident. I probably out before. If say na before, I go work, I go all prayer house. Once you are a transporter in Nigeria, expect accident at any moment. That is it. Last week, Salvation Army Church, Salvation Ministry, Salvation Army, I be Salvation Ministry. Their pastors go for a program. They went for a program in Lagos. On their way coming, their boss had an accident face to face. 12 pastors died. These are 12 criminals that are supposed to come out and because people say they don't give them key to come and be controlling you in the east. Yes, they don't give them key to come and be controlling you in the east. But unfortunately, they meet them on the way. These are criminals that are supposed to be coming and be telling you tomorrow, you are protected. Now they are immortal. 12 of them with a newborn baby and the mother, they are immortal.